Friday pattern is the Forte dress. I wanted to make a double layer dress. To do this, I added 1 inch of height to the view A skirt. We'll refer to this as the top layer. Sewed as the instructions say. The next step is to make a second pattern piece. I added 10 inches to the first pattern piece. And remember that you still need the 1 inch of added height. So 10 inches longer, extra 1 inch of height. The next step is to sew this bottom layer on just as you did the second layer. You'll finish the dress as per the instructions, including the sleeves and the neckband, and you have a fun new Forte dress. Remember, this pattern is on sale for $5